Now, question 33 from the topic of functions. It is from October-November 12, paper 1-2. The two functions are here. We have to calculate the value of A and B. The two conditions are also given. By them, we'll make the two equations and then solving simultaneously, we'll get the value of A and B, right? So now, the first condition is F2 equals to 10. First, I am calculating f of 2. So f of 2 is 3 to the 6 plus a. This is f of 2. Now replace in the function f में f x की जगह पर f of 2 की वैल्यू रख दी जाएगी, which is equals to 10. The function f is 3x plus a. So 3 at the place of x, f of 2, 6 plus a equals to 10. So here it is 18 plus 3a plus a equals to 10 and 4a equals to minus 8 and a equals to minus 2. Simultaneously solve करने की भी need नहीं हुई, directly एक equation से value आ रही. And the second condition is calculate G inverse. Now, calculate G inverse. For G inverse, y equals to b minus 2x. Make x be the subject, so it will be b minus y over 2. And this is G inverse of x. At the place of y, x. And now the condition is G inverse of 2 is equals to 3. So b minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And b minus 2 is equals to 6. And the value of b is 8. So these are the values of a and b. And after that, find out the expression of fgx. Now, first I am making the function f, which is equals to 3x minus 2. And now the function g, which is equals to 8 minus 2x. A और B की values के साथ हमने function बना लिया. Now, we have to calculate fgx. Function f में g रख दीजिए. f function क्या है? 3x. जहां x है वहां पर क्या रखा जाएगा? g minus 2. So now here it is 3. This is 8 minus 2x minus 2. 8 3s are 24 minus 3 2s are 6x minus 2. And here it is 24 minus 2 is 22 minus 6x. This is the composite function fg, a question of 6 marks, a simple question. Now students, question number 34, and question number 34 is from October-November 12, paper 1-3. In the first part, express f inverse. How to calculate f inverse? First, आपने y से equate कर देना है function को. Y equals to 2x plus 3. And the value of x is y minus 3 over 2. So this is f inverse of x, which is x minus 3 over 2. Are you clear? And after that, the condition is solve the equation. fx equals to f inverse of x. So what is fx? 2x plus 3 equals to, what is f inverse? X minus 3 over 2, cross multiply 4x plus 6 equals to x minus 3. 3x equals to minus 9, and the value of x is minus 3. Therefore, the value of y, or in terms of x, and solve it. Okay, we just have to solve the equation. The value of x is minus 3. Are you clear? Now, after that, in the second part, on the same diagram, equations. वो तो second part है ना बेटा. I'm doing the first part here. Right? Now, in the second part, we have to In the second part, we have to sketch function and its inverse. What is function? I'm writing function like y equals to 2x plus 3. It's a straight line. It's a straight line. For a straight line, just we need 2 points. 2 point निकालकर हम straight line को बना सकते हैं, right? So now, everyone, when x is 0, what is the value of y? 3. The value of y is 3. When y is 0, what is the value of x? When y is 0, what is the value of x? 3 upon 2 minus 1.5. So here it is, let's say minus 1.5. Okay. So the function is like now here is a function fx. Here is a function fx. Clear? And after that, we have to draw a line of y equal to x. As we have to sketch the function and its inverse. So now, the reflection in the line y equal to x, the reflection in the line y equal to x is the inverse function. So I'm reflecting here, this one, and like this. This one and like this. It's just a reflection, it's just a sketching. So कुछ थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, right? ऐसे करने. Now, this is f inverse of x. After that, showing the coordinate of their point of intersection. Now, we have to show the point of intersection coordinates. At x, it is minus 3, which we calculated here. Because when fx equals to f inverse of x, it means they are intersecting. So now, what is the value of y? What is the value of y when x is minus 3? So it will be minus 6 minus 9. This is minus 9. So the coordinates of intersection क्या आ गए? Minus 3 and minus 9. Are you sorry, minus 6 plus 3 is minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Yes, sorry, minus 3 are minus 3 other coordinate. Are you clear? Now, after that, in the third part, find the set value of x for which g f x is less than or equals to 16. Now, g f x, first we have to find the composite function. The function f in the function g. So it will be f squared minus 6f minus 16 less than or equal to 0, isn't it? Now, what is the function f? The function f is 2x plus 3 whole squared. Here it is 2x plus 3 minus 16 less than or equal to 0. Whole square expansion, a squared plus 12x plus 9 minus 12x minus 18 minus 16 less than or equal to 0. 4x squared, 12x, khatam, 9 minus 18 minus 9 minus 9 minus 16 minus 20 less than or equal to 0. X squared is less than or equal to 25 over 4. So the critical values are x is plus minus 5 over 2. So the answer will be negative 5 over 2 here and positive 5 over 2 here. Are you clear? The question of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 marks. Okay, students here. Yes, the last thing here in this, the last thing in the part 3 is find the set values of x for which this g of x is less than or equal to 16. Solves ki humne quadratic inequality and the two values are here minus 5 over 2 and 5/2, right? But the problem here is x is less than 0. x is less than 0. x की जो कम वैल्यू है, मिनिमम वैल्यू है, कोई भी फंक्शन अगर हम मिनिमम वैल्यू चेक करते हैं, यहां पर क्या लिखा हुआ है बच्चों, x is less than equal to 3, और यहां क्या लिखा हुआ है, x is less than 0. For example, I am making a number line here. X is less than 0. Let's say this is 0. So this will be -1. This will be -2. This will be -3. And I'm making another number line for the function of g. And the function of g is saying that it is less than equal to 3. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. Here it is 1. Here it is 0. Here it is -1. Here it is -2, and so on. कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन कहां से बनना स्टार्ट हुआ है? कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन कहां से बनना स्टार्ट हुआ? कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन बनना स्टार्ट हुआ यहां से. कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन कहां से बनना स्टार्ट हुआ? 0 पर आकर दोनों फंक्शंस मिले, राइट? बिफोर दैट अगर हम 3 से कम आते हैं तो g का फंक्शन, 0 से कम आ रहे हैं तो f का फंक्शन है, और दोनों फंक्शन कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन कहां पर मिल रहे हैं? 0 पर मिल रहे हैं. तो यहां पर जनाब x के लिए जो फाइनल रेंज लिखी जाएगी, it is not basically -5, x is in between these values. It is basically x is in between 0 and -5/2. Because we have to find the set values of x for which the composite function satisfies. और जब composite function आ गया तो दोनों फंक्शन की प्रॉपर्टीज को मैच करते हुए हमें फाइनल आंसर लिखना होगा. आर यू क्लियर? Question number 35. The function f and g are defined by given expressions. Find and simplify expression. The first f g x. फंक्शन f में g रख दीजिए. सो 2 g का फंक्शन क्या है? x² -2 +1. So it will be 2x² -3 is the function f gx, right? After that the function g f x, it will be function f को g में रख दीजिए. So the function g is, so it is 2x + 1 whole square -2. This is function g f x. Are you clear? Simple. Now after that the second part. Hence find the value of a for which f g of a is equals to g f of a. Now f g function में a रख दीजिए बच्चों. So it will be 2a² -3 equals to gf function में a रख दीजिए तो it will be 2a + 1 whole square -2. Now 2a² -3 equals to 4a² + 4a + 1 -2. a² cancel out. 4a equals to -3 + 1 -2, and the value of a is -1/2. This is the value of a. Are you clear? Simple. Just fga equals to gfa, right? फंक्शन में a रखते हुए इक्वेट किया और आंसर कैलकुलेट कर लिया. Now in the third part, yes बच्चों, here यहाँ पर 4a² को मैंने 2a² से कैंसिल कर दिया, तो इसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं अगेन. Now here it is. Again, I am solving this. 2a² -3 equals to, here it is 4a² + 4a + 1 -2. 4a² - 2a² is 2a². 4a ऐसे ही रहेगा. 1 - 2 is -1. -1 + 3 is +2 equal to 0. Divide the whole equation with 2, so it will be a squared plus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. So what are the two values of a? The value of a is -1, only a single value we have in this, right? The value of a is -1. Now, after that, in the third part, find the value of b for which b is not equal to a. कंडीशन आपको दे दी गई है. Now, क्या कहा गया है? g of b equals to b. फंक्शन g में आपने क्या रखना है? b को रखना. फंक्शन g में आपने रखना है b को, तो b स्क्वायर -2 equals to b. Now, b square minus b minus 2 equals to 0. So what are the values of b? -1 and 2. -1 and 2. These are the values of b. -1 and 2. ये आपको values दी गई b की. Now, after that, here we have to reject this value and we have to accept b equals to 2. Now, after this in part 4, simplify the expression of f inverse g. So first calculate f inverse. So the function f is 2x plus 1 and x is y minus 1 divided by 2. This is f inverse. So it is x minus 1 divided by 2. Now, after that, we have to calculate f inverse g. F inverse g. So f inverse g will be f inverse में g रख दीजिए, so it will be g minus 1 over 2. What is function g? X squared minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So it will be x squared minus 3 divided by 2. This is the function f inverse g. Simplified format में लिखना है, तो x square over 2 minus 3 over 2. आप इसका LCM break कर दीजिए. Are you clear? Now, after that, in the next part, part 5, find an expression of h inverse. So y equals to x squared minus 2, x squared equals to y plus 2, and the value of x is under root x y plus under root y plus 2, and this is h inverse of x equals to under root x plus 2. अब सुनिएगा क्या कंडीशन दी गई है? x is always negative. X is always negative. So we have to just put a negative sign for part 5. Are you clear? Any confusion? Now, question number 36. What we have in this question number 36? It is from May to 11, paper 1-2. In the first part, show that f of x is x. We are calculating f of x. Function में function दोबारा रखा जा रहा है. So f of x equals to f plus 3 divided by 2f minus 1. ऐसा ही. What is the value of f? X plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1 plus 3 whole divided by 2. Again the function x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1 minus 1. ऊपर एलसीएम लिया जाएगा 2x minus 1 से, तो it will be x plus 3 plus 3 times 2x minus 1 divided by, नीचे एलसीएम लिया 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करवाया 2x plus 6, एलसीएम लिया गया तो it will be 2x minus 1. और जो न्यूमरेटर के डिनोमिनेटर में 2x minus 1 था, डिनोमिनेटर के डिनोमिनेटर में 2x minus 1 था, वो दोनों सेम है तो कैंसिल हो गए. राइट. सो नाउ सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हैं इसको. x plus 3 plus 6x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 6 minus 2x plus 1. So the final answer is 6x plus x, 7x divided by 2x and 2x cancel out, 7, and here it is x which we have to prove. Clear? Now, next one. Obtain an expression of f inverse. So, y equal to the function x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1 cross multiplication 2xy minus y equal to x plus 3 2xy minus x equals to y plus 3 x common. So it will be y plus 3 divided by 2y minus 1. So this is f inverse, which is x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. Are you clear? जो फंक्शन था वही इसका इनवर्स भी आ गया. Now, question number 38. It is from May June 11, paper 1-3. The two functions are here. In the first part, find the function f g2. Can I calculate g2 first? Yes. Function g में अगर 2 रखा जाए, so it will be 2 minus 1 cube plus 8. So it will be 8, 9, 10. g2 is 10. Now, function में g2 रख दीजिए f function में. So 3 times 10 minus 4, and the answer is 30 minus 4 is 26 is the result. Clear? Next one. We have to sketch the function and inverse. Function and inverse. The function is y equals to 3x minus 4. When x is 0, the value of y is minus 4. When y is 0, the value of x is 4 upon 3. And 4 upon 3 is 1 point something. Here, this is the function. This is the function. Any confusion in this? Hopefully no. After that, y equal to x line. Y equal to x line. Reflect the red function here. So this is f inverse of x. Making clear the relationship between. What is the clear relationship between y equal to x? This is the line of reflection. Are you clear? Now, after that, obtain an expression of g dash x. It is not g inverse x. It is g dash x. It's a part of differentiation. So we are moving further. I'm doing part 4. We have to calculate f inverse. So y equals to 3x minus 4. X equals to y plus 4 upon 3. So this is f inverse. X plus 4 upon 3. And now, g inverse के लिए y equal to 2 x minus 1 whole cube plus 8. So now 2x minus 1 whole cube equals to y minus 8 and x minus 1 whole cube y minus 8 over 2 and x equals to cube root of y minus 8 over 2 plus 1, and this is the function g inverse cube root of x minus 8 upon 2 plus 1. There is no need to say plus, minus, a, or nothing, right? As it's a cubical, no issues. As it's a cubical thing, so there is no plus minus. Question number 39, the two is from October number 11, paper 1-1. The two functions are given. Express the first function 2x squared minus 8x plus 10 in the form a x plus b whole squared plus c. Expand the bracket, multiply with ax squared plus 2axb abx plus ab squared plus C. What is the value of A, everyone? 2. What is the value of 2AB? Minus 8. So the value of B is minus 8 divided by 2A. So it is minus 2. And the constant AB square plus C equals to 10. So the value of C is 10 minus A. B square is 4. It is 2. Therefore, the function is 2 x minus 2 whole square plus 2. Any confusion? No. And after that, second part, range, domain, and everything. So I'm making the function. I'm making the sketch of the function. So the value of h is 2. The value of k is 2. So the function is like intersecting y-axis with 10. Y-axis with 10. This is the sketch of the function, right? Now, after that, state the range of the function. State the range of the function. क्या range नजर आ रही है? Greater than equals to 2. Greater than equals to 2. Greater than equals to 2. But the range is not greater than equals to 2. Why? Because question read नहीं किया आप लोगों ने पूरा. The domain is here. If it is a closed, yes girls, if it is a closed domain, then we also have to write a closed range. अगर होता x belongs to all real values, all real numbers, तो हो जाती range greater than equals to 2. लेकिन अब हमें restrict कर दिया, restricted domain पर restricted range आएगी. So सबसे पहले check करते हैं, when x is 0, what is the value of y? When x is 0, the value of y is 10. When x is 0, the value of y is 10. And when x is 2, what is the value of y? The value of y is 2. Therefore, can I say that the range is from 2 to 10? The range is from 2 to 10. 2 से लेकर 10 तक y एक्सिस में फंक्शन हमें नजर आएगा. अब मैं इस फंक्शन को अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन रेस्ट्रिक्टेड डोमेन बना भी लूं. This is the real function according to the question. कहां से कहां तक नजर आ रहा है? 2 से लेकर 10 तक नजर आ रहा है. Are you clear? Now, चलें एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा सा इस फंक्शन को हम क्लियर बना लें. Here is the turning point. Let's say this is 10, right? थोड़ा सा बड़ा बना लिया फंक्शन हमने. Here, let's say this is 10, right? From 2 to 10 y एक्सिस में फंक्शन नजर आया, तो रेंज क्या हो गई? 2 से लेकर 10 तक हो गई. Are you clear? That's great. State the domain of inverse. Simple. State the domain of inverse. So domain is 2 to 10. Range of the function is equal to the domain of inverse. Right? After that, sketch on the same diagram y equal to fx and y equal to sketch on the same diagram the graph of y equal to fx, y equal to gx, and this y equal to f inverse of x, making clear the relationship between the graphs. Now, bachcho, what is this? Y equal to gx means y equal to x. Y equal to x. This is the line y equal to x, means y equal to gx. Y equal to gx. Now, inverse function is just a reflection in the line y equal to gx. So it will be like intersecting the x-axis, at 10. So this is the inverse function. And what is the relation between y relation? मैं यहां पर चले लिख देता हूं fx, f inverse of x is a reflection of function in the line y equals to x, which is y equals to gx. तीनों ग्राफ का लिंक आपस में बन गया, राइट? कि एफ एक्स का फंक्शन अगर इनवर्स बनाना है तो इसको y इक्वल टू जी एक्स से रिफ्लेक्ट करवा दिया जाए. Now, after that, find the inverse of the function f. So now, in a part 5, y equals to 2 x minus 2 whole square plus 2. So now, x minus 2 whole square equals to y minus 2 divided by 2, and x equals to under root y minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2, and this inverse f inverse is under root x minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. This is the inverse function. एक चीज सुनिएगा, क्या हम 2 से ऊपर बना रहे हैं ना फंक्शन, 2 से लेकर 10 तक, और यहां पर भी 2 से लेकर 10 तक. तो इट मींस 2 से कोई चीज माइनस नहीं हो सकती, 2 से नीचे नहीं आ सकती, 2 एंड मोर देन 2 रहना है हमें. तो इस बात से नेगेटिव साइन नहीं लगेगा, सिर्फ 2 में चीज ऐड होगी, सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगी. आर यू क्लियर? यस, बिल्कुल. Now, students, next question is question number 40 from your possible file. It is October November 11 question, and from paper 1-2.